Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. So this is going to be another recording with the Justplay app. Now I did an update on this not too long ago, but it wasn't able to post properly. So here is the Justplay app again. If you don't know, this is the app where you can make money by playing games and gathering coins. So I was able to rack up this time from the last update $10.40. So I can cash this out anytime, or I can keep playing games to see how much the cap is at. I haven't reached the cap yet, but the most that I've withdrawn will be this amount if I choose to. So anyways, what is one of the games that earns the most coins? So they've made differences in the app here from the last time I used it. So the goals are like 64,000 to 50,000 coins, and you're like, oh my gosh, how am I going to get that? Well, one of the apps that allows you to earn the most is Treasure Master. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So in Treasure Master, all you do is just basically do spears of these things. So you just have to get the amount of spears in, and then there's 4 stages per level. And then you just got to keep pressing the spears, and then once you reach the final part of the stage, like this one here, well, not this one, but if you keep going, you have to time your strikes right so that you don't hit another spear, and you earn the coins as you go. Sometimes the notifications appear on the top, but then others don't. So you have to like always check your Justplay app after you do like a few rounds of the games. But this is the most highest earning game on the Justplay app. So if you download Justplay, then your games, just play this game if you want to earn more. I mean, you can earn more for others. As you can see, my balance is going up here, 2,400, 4,800. And you get up to the 6,400 when you reach different levels here. So this is the final stage of stage 1. So as you can see, it's sometimes hard to get that point, but I've already made 8,000 coins already. And I can easily get up to the 6,400 coins, and then an ad shows up here, and you can always skip the ads if you want to. So I'm just going to skip that, and we're just going to go from there. So if you keep completing levels, you earn an insane amount of coins in this. I mean, when you complete the first stage, you don't earn a lot, but the stages after that, you start to earn a little bit more. So I've tallied it up. I've made about 400,000 coins, and that is the equivalent of $4. So just to do the math for you, if you reach 100,000 coins, that's $1. If you reach 400,000 coins, that's $4. And if you reach like 1,000,000 coins, that's about $10. So if you do the math, then it adds up like that. But this is the game that you have to play in order to earn the most coins. This is the game, Treasure Master. And as you can see, it says 8,800. The stages are pretty tough as you progress in the levels further. So you have to be precise with your shots, and you cannot get hit, or else you're just going to be subject to bombardments of ads, and it's going to be game over for you. So you got to time your strikes just right, and you got to just drain it like always here. And once you do drain it, then you will reap the rewards. So as you can see, I got one more shot to go, and I'm going to wait for it, and then I earned it. So every final stage, you get a big payout here. So my notifications will appear, and it's a little delayed here, but I'm just going to go back and check the app on purpose. So I stopped it there, and I'm just going to go and check the Justplay app again. So as you see, I already earned 16,000 coins. So that's like a cent. 16,000, it's just a penny. So if you get more than 16,000, so like if you get up to the triple digits or the 7 digits, then you'll be earning a little bit more money. The 7 digits are usually like $10, and like 6 digits are like, the 6 digits are the dollars, the 7 digits are a little bit more, and if you reach the goal, then it'll add up and reflect on your cash out. That's how I was able to get up to $10 right away. Plus I did offers and did purchases, so it's up to you if you want to up it faster by doing an in-app purchase, but that's just me. So happy playing, happy gaming, have a great day.